こんにちは。VR 日本語の萌です。Life without kanji 2. If you haven't watched my last video, please check it out here. Or maybe here. Firstly, thank you so much for the photos that I'm using today. Chris-kun and Masa-chan, ありがとうございます. And also, quick thank you to all my Patreons. Okay, here's today's 3 practical reasons to learn kanji. Let's get it started. Number 1. Know what to do with it. Coin lockers in Japan is super useful. You can find it at most major stations and very useful when you want to walk around without big suitcases and luggage. Okay, you manage to put your luggage in the coin locker and the machine printed this. It looks like a receipt, but if you can read this kanji right here, this kanji here, it says kagi, which means the key to the locker. So super important to hang on to this paper and don't throw it out like a receipt if you want your luggage back. If you have IC card, you don't need to use your barcode or QR code, just use your IC card. IC cards are rechargeable cards that can be used to pay fares on public transport and to make payments at vending machine shops and restaurants. The most popular ones in Japan is Suica or Pasmo. In London, UK, Oyster Card. In Sydney, Australia, Opal Card. In Ottawa, Canada, Presto Card. And in New York, SmartLink Card. They are the IC cards. So it's important to know this kanji so you can get your luggage out. Number 2, turn on and off. Washing machine, aircon, TV, etc. Yes, all the buttons in kanji. What do we do? Obvious one here is in red. Maybe this is on. In Japan, what appears to be obvious may not be the case. In this case, there are these 2 kanji, ireru, kiru. Ireru is on, kiru is actually off. One of the ways to remember this kanji is this is the kanji for katana. And this kanji, the kiru, has katana on the part of right-hand side of character. Cutting it off with samurai sword. It's off. Number 3, stay clean. This signage says you in hiragana. You is a signage for onsen or sento, public baths. Great, you want to check out and experience it. Then you notice this signage. Maybe you guessed it. This kanji is yasumi, day off. 1st and 2nd of January, they are closed. So if you're relying on having a bath here alone, you might have to find an alternative way to have shower or bath on those days so you can stay clean. Bonus is if you know more kanji, you can read this part of the kanji. It says senior discount day on 5th of January. So you can get discount if you're a senior citizen. Quiz time! Yay! Patch. I parked between 7 to 9 p.m. at this car parking. How much do I need to pay? I parked between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. How much do I need to pay? Please put your answers in the comment field below and I'll post the answer in the comment below. Good luck! I hope you are enjoying learning survival kanji. If you like my video, please subscribe. お願いします。And thank you always for watching. またね。じゃあね。